Unlock your Amazon FBA private label success by mastering the art of the perfect product listing and launching your way to the top. First, let's dive into crucial keyword research. This is the foundation of your listing. Use tools like Helium 10, Jungle Scout, or Merchant Words to uncover high-volume, low-competition keywords that your target customers are actually searching for. Think about synonyms, variations, and long-tail keywords that precisely describe your product and its benefits. We're aiming for keywords that are both relevant and likely to convert. Next, craft a compelling product title. Integrate your primary keywords naturally at the beginning, followed by key benefits and differentiating features. Make it informative, attention-grabbing, and under Amazon's character limit for optimal visibility across different devices. A strong title is your initial handshake with potential buyers. Now, let's optimize your bullet points. These are prime real estate to showcase your product's value. Each bullet point should focus on distinct benefit or feature that solves a customer's problem. Use strong action verbs and incorporate secondary keywords naturally. Aim for clarity and conciseness, making it easy for shoppers to quickly understand why your product is the best choice. High-quality images are non-negotiable. Your main image should be pure white, showcasing your product. Clearly supplement this with additional images that demonstrate different angles, show the product in use with lifestyle shots, highlight key features with callouts, and even include an infographic explaining its benefits. Invest in professional photography. It's a direct investment in your sales. Your product description adds depth and persuasion. Expand on the benefits mentioned in your bullet points. Tell a story and address potential customer pain points. Use formatting like bold text and short paragraphs to improve readability. Remember to weave in your remaining keywords here organically, ensuring a natural flow. Finally, let's talk launch strategy. Utilize Amazon's Vine program for early reviews. Implement targeted Amazon PPC campaigns to drive initial traffic and sales. Consider running promotions or discounts to incentivize early adoption. The goal is to gain momentum and attract organic traffic through social proof and sales velocity. By meticulously following these steps, you can create powerful Amazon FBA private label listings that attract customers, drive sales, and pave the way for consistent growth. Start optimizing your listings today and watch your business flourish.